What's something people don't know about Kansai International Airport? Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, 𝐂𝐧𝐠. In today's video, we're diving into a critical topic. Kansai International Airport, one of Japan's most iconic and innovative transportation hubs. We'll explore its unique location, impressive engineering, challenges it has faced, and why it plays such a vital role in global air travel. But before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss important updates like this. Let's get into it. Glad to see you here on the channel, where we break down the world's wildest engineering feats and the stories behind them. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on one of the most daring and honestly alarming engineering projects on the planet, Kansai International Airport. This is a story that's equal parts genius and gamble. This is an airport that's not just on the edge of innovation, it's literally sinking into the sea. It's a place where ambition meets the raw power of nature, and the outcome is still unfolding. Let's set the scene. Osaka, Japan. Late 1980s. The city is buzzing and the future feels limitless. Japan's economy is booming, but space is running out fast. Every square meter of land is precious and the city is bursting at the seams. So, what's the solution when you need a massive international airport and there's nowhere to put it? You can't just bulldoze neighborhoods or fill in parks, you build your own island. That's right, if the land doesn't exist, you make it. It sounds like science fiction, but for Japan, it was the only way forward. Kansai Airport sits on a man-made island, 3 miles out to sea, designed for planes to come and go 24/7. No noise complaints, no curfews, just pure ambition. The vision was bold, a gateway to the world, free from the constraints of the mainland. Construction kicked off in 1987, and what followed was nothing short of an engineering marathon. Imagine this, 10,000 workers, 3 years of non-stop labor, and a cool $20 billion. The scale was unprecedented, and the world watched in awe. They didn't just dump some rocks in the water and call it a day, they layered sand, gravel, giant steel walls and more to create a foundation strong enough to support jumbo jets. The logistics alone were mind-boggling. Millions of tons of material shipped in, all meticulously placed. But here's where things start getting dicey. Even with all that planning, nature had its own agenda. Beneath all that engineering, soft, squishy seabed, basically a giant layer cake of mud and clay. Not exactly the stuff of solid ground. From day one, experts warned, this thing is gonna sink. The question wasn't if, but how fast and how much. But the hope was, hey, maybe not too fast. Maybe the island would settle gradually, giving engineers time to adapt. The original prediction? About 5.7 meters of sinking over 50 years? That seemed manageable, at least on paper. But Kansai had other plans. It dropped more than 8 meters in just the first 10 years. That's like watching your brand new house slowly disappear into quicksand. And if that's not enough, here comes the climate crisis. Sea levels are rising, typhoons are getting stronger. The airport faces threats from above and below. Earthquakes, well, this is Japan, so those are just part of the deal. The airport was even designed to withstand major tremors, but nothing is ever guaranteed. In 2018, Typhoon 𝐊𝐵𝐵 slammed into Kansai, bringing a 2.7-meter storm surge that flooded the runways and shut down the whole airport. It was a wake-up call for everyone involved. That was the moment everyone realized just how vulnerable this engineering giant really is. The images of submerged runways made headlines worldwide, but Japan isn't backing down. The spirit of resilience is strong, and the fight to keep Kansai afloat continues. Engineers are in a constant battle, reinforcing the foundation, shoring up terminals, and even using massive hydraulic jacks to lift sections of the building as the ground sinks beneath them. It's like a never-ending game of engineering whack-a-mole. They've upgraded drainage, installed new barriers, you name it, they're doing it. Every year brings new challenges and new solutions. But let's be real, it's a race against time and nature isn't slowing down. The ocean doesn't care about blueprints or budgets. To me, Kansai Airport isn't just a place for takeoffs and landings. It's a living, breathing experiment in human determination. It's a living experiment, a symbol of what human ingenuity can achieve. and what happens when we push the limits. It's proof that we can build almost anywhere, but also a reminder that nature always has the final say. It's also a warning shot for every coastal city on Earth. As the climate changes, more and more places will face the same challenges Kansai does today. From Miami to Venice to Jakarta, rising seas are coming for us all. No city is immune, no matter how advanced. Kansai's struggle is a peek into our future, no matter how high-tech we think we are. It's a test case for the world, and the stakes couldn't be higher. So, what do you think? Was Kansai worth the risk? Is it a triumph of engineering, or a cautionary tale? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this epic project. If you enjoyed this look behind the engineering curtain, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with anyone who geeks out over airports or epic builds. Your support helps us keep exploring these incredible stories. More deep dives coming soon. Stay curious and keep questioning what's possible.